What if I told you you only needed $5 to make $100 profit? What if I told you you could use $50 to make $1,000 or more? Well, stick around because in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys how to do, and very easily. Hey guys, Corey here. Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping in. If it's your first time stopping in, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell so you know when I post new videos. And also, if you could give me a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it as it helps the channel grow. If you can time when this move is going to happen and particularly where it's going to be at, you can make a lot of money. You can put up $5 and make 95. You can turn 5 into 100. This is like a 20x return. It is insane. There's a lot of things that you have to consider when running this strategy, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do that in this video. However, if you guys are interested in joining my Discord and my one-on-one coaching to learn and surround yourself with like-minded people and better and grow your portfolio and achieve financial freedom, you guys can do so at any time right there on the screen, investwithcorey.com, or in the link in the information box below. However, I have limited spots available as a lot of people have signed up over the last few weeks, and I only have a few spots left for the month of June and July. So if you guys are interested, go to the website or the link in the information box below. I would love to have you. This is what drives me, teaching you guys and helping you achieve your goals. I mean, I already have a 7-figure portfolio, so I really don't have to worry about money. I do this because I'm passionate, and my goal is really to help as many people as possible. I love to hear positive stories and people that are in my Discord making good choices and making profits. That's what drives me. So let's get right into the video. We're going to talk about butterfly spreads. Let me show you guys how we can run this strategy, how to set it up, and how to pick the proper candidate. I just want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just here to give you guys tips, strategies, technicals, fundamentals, and financials. However, it's ultimately up to you to decide which stocks you want to buy and how much of a position size you want to have in that stock or option, as it's your money. So before we can run this strategy, we have to pick a stock that is likely to go up or down. Bullish or bearish does not matter. So we're going to start off with NVIDIA. We can see here that it's in an uptrend, although it could pull back and touch again. We have 1, 2, and there has to be 3 touches for conviction. So we're going to have a pullback. At some point in the next 2 to 3 weeks, NVIDIA is going to pull back to $110, $112. It's somewhat likely, but we shall see. So what we're going to do is look at the chart, look at the EMA, and we can see the 10 is above the 20, and the 10 and 20 are both above the 100. We can see it's in the middle of the Bollinger Band, so that's good. And we're going to set where we think it's going to go. And I would say that in the next week, that 125 is likely, and 122 is even more likely. So let's go with 122 by next week. This is where I think it's going to go, by the end of this week or next week. So what we would do is we would come into Robinhood. Let me refresh this so you guys can see. We'll pick the expiration date, June 21st, next week. Click on sell, click on call, click on the price that you think NVIDIA is going to go to, 122. Then we're going to buy the 123, and we're going to buy the 121. One leg above, one leg down. Then we're going to click up here and click to custom. So whatever brokerage you have, you got to click on the custom. This way you can customize how many of each contract. And since we have 2 buy contracts, although different strike prices, we only have 1 sell. So we're going to pick this one right here, highlight it, select 2, and look what happened. We're going to risk $4 to make 96. 4 into 100. Click continue. We'll go with 10 contracts, $40 into $1,000. And all that has to happen is NVIDIA just has to go to $122 and end there on expiration, or as close as possible. So in the next 8 days, will NVIDIA go up a couple of dollars and settle there, or stay somewhat close? That's the question. Do we think it's going to go to 124? Do we think it's going to go down to 118? This is how this strategy works. So even if NVIDIA only goes to 120, 150 by next week, we make $461. That is crazy. That is insane juicy premium. But we can decide where we think the stock is going to go price-wise by setting this up, and we get to choose our expiration of when we think it would happen. So what happens if we go further out in time? So if we want to go further out to July, we would click on sell, and let's say we think it's going to go to 124. Sell 124, buy 125, buy 123, click custom, click on 2, and look at this, $3 to make 97. And all NVIDIA has to do is go to 124, but our range is 123.03 to 124.97. So basically 123 to 125. In that $2 range, we make profit, but we can also spread this out an extra dollar. So now the range is 122 to 126. We now have a $4 range to make 190 from 10. So now it's not as high. It's 10 into 190, which is 5 into 100, which is a lot. It's 20 times return versus 3 into 100. So this is a lot better. It's $2 less to make more profit. This is a 97% return, whereas this is a 90% return. So it's 2% less. And the reason for that is because the spread is bigger. So while the price might land at $122.80, we make $70 at $122.80. So we're selling the 124, buying the 125, buying the 123, $100 spread between the three. It's a 97% return, risking 3 to make 97. However, if the price lands below 123.03 or above 124.97, we make nothing. However, if we open the spread up between 126 and 122, giving us a $400 spread, our break even's now 122.10 and 125.90. So it's wider. Instead of a 97% return, we're looking at a 90% return. So if the price was to land at 122.60 or 122.55, we make $44. If we do a $100 spread, we make nothing if it lands at 122.55. So it gives us more room. So ultimately, if you're convicted at where the price is going to go and you think it's going to be right around 124, this is more profit potential. However, if you want something more safe, I would much rather run a 200 spread in each direction, 124 to 126, 124 to 122. This way, we have a $4 range that the price can go in and we make juicy profits. So you can see how powerful this strategy is. All we have to do is have an estimate of where we think the price is going to be. And with NVIDIA, it's between 122 and 126. So there's 122 and here's 126. As long as NVIDIA ends up in between these two lines on Friday or Friday of next week, anywhere in between, we're making profit on this strategy. And the closer it is to 124, which is right here, the more profit we make. I'll even turn this yellow or orange. No, we'll do maybe red. Yeah. So you can see here, look at this price movement right here. There's a $4 movement. That's a decent amount, not really for NVIDIA, but you can see that's a decent amount of room to move. It's a $4 price range. So as long as we're in between this $4 price range, we're making profit. This is a very good strategy. Let me show you the strategy on another ticker. I personally like it on Palantir because Palantir is going to keep going up. So let me show you how to run this on Palantir. I think we're going to end up somewhere around June 28th, around $24, $25 possibly. So let's do 25. Sell 25. Click buy. We're going to buy the 26. And then we're going to buy the 24. There we go. The reason why this is 17 into 83 is because of the spread from 24 to 26. There's almost a $2 spread, which is really good for Palantir. So we're putting up 17. And once Palantir crosses $24.17, we're making profit. So we could make up to $83 on one contract. If we were to just buy, I don't know, 4 of these, $68, but we could turn that into $332. This is between 24 and 26, which would be right there. Look how big this is on Palantir. This purple bar represents this Friday. So all we would need to happen is Palantir just has to go up and cross over this red line anywhere in this area right here, Friday, and we're in the profit. That's it. Let's look at it. 24.30, we make $50. So we double our money. We make double our money at 24.50. So all the price would have to do is go right about here by Friday. Just kind of come up right around here. We've doubled our money. This is so powerful. I actually ran this strategy a couple of times in my large portfolio recently, and I've made pretty good money. It is hard to lose on this trade if you pick the right stocks and they're going in the right direction. We know Palantir is going up. So look at this. Look how wide this is. All it has to do is just cross over this line, and anywhere we're making some form of profit. If it goes higher, like around here, we're making bank. And remember, you can run this as a bullish or a bearish strategy, but you have to risk manage. You have to understand risk, that this is not going to have a 100% win ratio. This is probably going to have a ratio of 50 to 60% wins. However, it's so cheap. You got to manage your risk, but you can't lose any more then you're purchasing. If you spend the $68 to make $332, you can't lose any more than $68. However, you have to understand that you're probably never going to get on the peak. The price is never going to close on Friday right at the peak. You're going to end up closing Wednesday, Thursday, sometime Friday, somewhere else where you're making 50 to 60, maybe 70% of the profits or more. But usually I close early, 2 to 3x, and then I'm out. So really what's going to happen is you're going to end up opening this position on a Monday, and by Wednesday or Thursday, you're going to close it for a profit a lot of the time. Some of the trades are going to be a little bit riskier than others depending on the stock, but this is a phenomenal strategy. And if you can have a 50% win ratio, even a 30% win ratio, you are going to be stellar. Because if you're risking, let's do one contract. If you're risking 17 to make 83 and you're only winning half of your trades, you're still good. Okay, let me show you what I mean. 5 times you spend 17 and lose. You lost 85. 5 times you do this and you make, let's say, a little more than half. Let's say 60. 5 times 60, take away 5 times 17. You still profited $215 divided by 17. So even if you're only right 50% of the time, you'll have a 12 to 13 times your money, 13x return with a 50% win rate. Even at a 20% win rate, you're only right twice out of 10, and you would still have a 6x return or a 7x return, only winning 2 out of 10 trades. If you were only right 10% of the time, 1 out of 10 trades, that's it. You would still have like a 1.5 to 2 times return. Like you'd be doubling or tripling your money even if you only were right 10% of the time. That is why this is so powerful and one of the best strategies that you can implement into your portfolio. This strategy is somewhat similar to an iron condor, although a lot cheaper, and it's a debit strategy versus a credit strategy. So this butterfly doesn't require any collateral. You're just spending the upfront money, $5, $10 to open the contract. There are risks just like any other strategy, and that's understanding the underlying stock that you're trying to execute the strategy on. If the stock is moving very volatile, like up and down, and it's just all over the place, it's a very bad idea to run this stock. You want to run it on somewhat consolidating stocks right after earnings. This way you have more predictability and where the price will go. And make sure you check your EMA, your Bollinger Bands and stuff like that. This way you have a good understanding if the price might be reversing or it might be continuing in an uptrend. This way you can time it properly and get that correct along with where you think it's going to go in the certain amount of time. As you guys can see how powerful this strategy is. So as long as you're pretty sure on where the price is going to go, so as long as you have a generally good idea of where the price is going to go and when it's going to happen, you can make a lot of juicy premium or profits. And like I said, I teach this in the Discord, and it is a very big favorite among my students. Appreciate you guys being here. Be sure to subscribe and tap the bell if you guys enjoy the content, and give me a thumbs up as it greatly helps the channel grow. And like I said, if you guys are interested in joining the Discord and surrounding yourself with like-minded people like myself and other traders, and you might want one-on-one coaching with me, I would love to have you and would love to teach you how to become more profitable. If you're having difficulties in the market, if you're losing money, I would really love to help you out, because that's what drives me every day. I love helping people, and I would love to help you. And if it's something you're interested in, check out my website anytime, investwithcorey.com, or the link in the information box below. Although I do have very limited spots available, so if it's something you're interested in, I look forward to speaking with you. And don't worry guys, this might be the end of this video, but I picked out another video just for you, and you're going to love it. And that video is right here. How to get paid to buy your favorite stocks. Click that link. You guys are going to love the video, and I'll see you over there. And remember, until the next video, let's grow our wealth together. Take care, guys. Oh, and click the video. You're going to love it.